Alright, it's time to adjust your knowledge gains in our Smart Bit quiz with our 3 control automation questions. The questions are scored using actuator output percentage, and today we're going to be testing your knowledge on Factory of the Future. Let's begin with our first question worth 25%. A factory manager stares at a screen showing his machine's exact twin glitching through a simulated meltdown, sighing in relief that it's not the real one. Which technology creates a virtual, real-time replica of a physical asset for simulation and predictive analysis? Is it A, digital twin, or B, augmented reality? And the answer is A, digital twin. A digital twin mirrors a physical system using live data, enabling simulation, monitoring, and predictive maintenance. AR overlays digital info onto the physical world, but doesn't model system behavior over time. Okay, let's move on to our next question worth 25%. OPC UA delivers a sealed, labeled package with a verified signature, while Modbus RTU tosses an unmarked box over the fence yelling, "It's mine, trust me." What communication protocol is platform independent and widely used for secure semantic data exchange in Industry 4.0? Is it A, Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture, or OPC UA, or B, Modbus RTU Remote Terminal Unit? And the answer is A, Open Platform Communications Unified Architecture. OPC UA supports platform-independent, secure communication with built-in semantic data modeling. Modbus RTU is older, simpler, and lacks native security or rich data context. Okay, let's move on to our final question worth 50%. Bob the robot arm pauses mid-grab to ping the cloud for permission. By the time it answers, the part's already smashed on the floor. What is the primary advantage of edge computing over cloud computing in smart factories? Is it A, lower latency for real-time decisions, or B, unlimited storage capacity? And the answer is A, lower latency for real-time decisions. Edge computing processes data locally, near the source, reducing latency critical for real-time control. Cloud computing offers scalable storage, but introduces network delay unsuitable for time-sensitive operations. Want to try again? Just click the link on your screen and be sure to check out our other Automator's Edge videos for the latest in control automation.